Hello and welcome to my shop. Today I'm going to be making a picture frame, and I've had this idea for a picture frame kicking around in my head for a while, but Mother's Day is coming up, so I thought it's the perfect chance to try it out. This type of picture frame could be used for just about any occasion, so stick around and let's take a look at what I've come up with. My wife and I have 3 kids, and for Mother's Day I usually get her a card and have all the kids sign it. So this year I thought I would make a picture frame that includes all of the kids' signatures on it. So what I've done is I've had each of our kids sign their name in cursive on a sheet of paper at about the same size. I printed out the word mom on my printer. So what I'm going to do is make a picture frame and then cut each of their signatures out of wood and glue it onto each side of the frame. So the first thing I need to do is make the picture frame. I'm going to get all 4 sides of the picture frame from the single piece of Western Red Cedar 2x6. First I'm going to rip it in half this way, and then I'm going to take those 2 halves and rip them in half this way. So let's head over to the table saw. Alright, I've got all 4 sides of the picture frame ready, and I went ahead and cut the rabbet to accept the picture and the plexiglass. So now I just need to glue up the frame. I'm going to cut the signatures out of this lighter colored cedar that I think will contrast well with that Western Red Cedar. I've attached the names to the boards with spray adhesive, and I'm over at the drill press and I'm going to drill some starter holes for the interior cuts. I'm cutting the names out with this old Craftsman 13-inch scroll saw. It's not the easiest saw to use, and it uses pin blades, so I do have to drill a little bit bigger starter hole in the interior cuts. But it gets the job done, so let's do some cutting. Okay, I got all the names cut without breaking them. And I very carefully removed the template and sanded the fuzzies off them. I also sanded the frame, so now I'm just going to glue the names onto the frame. Well, here's the finished picture frame, and it turned out really good. I can't wait to give it to my wife on Mother's Day. It was fun cutting out my kids' signatures over here on the scroll saw, and I recommend you try it. This type of thing could work for any occasion, and it's just cool to have your kids' signature cut out of wood as they grow older. So I'd like to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, please consider subscribing. And also don't forget to check out my website at thecarmichaelworkshop.com. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.